Hello, no people travel photo viewers. I'm Op, back with another clip in the Singapore Cityscape series. Today we are around Outram Park MRT station, not too far from the Chinatown. We will exit the station at exit 5 and head towards Everton Road first. We will finish at our usual cityscape photo spot at the Pinnacle at Duxton, one of the most beautiful government housing buildings. But before that, we will head to Everton Road. Everton Road has charming buildings similar to Chinatown but with far fewer people, perfect for those who want to take photos without crowds. We will walk past the Pinnacle first. Right now, it's still too bright for our final shot. Like many places in Singapore, Everton Road has lots of colorful Peranakan houses. After walking for a while, we stopped by a cafe to cool down a bit. There are plenty of nice cafes around here. The sun starts to soften and the sunset is approaching, so we head to the Pinnacle. To get up to the level 50 rooftop, we first need to find Block 1G. Since the complex has 7 towers, from a satellite view, the building looks like a question mark, and Block 1G is at the tail of it. Walk south along Cantonment Road until you reach the bus stop called Block 1G. Once you see the bus stop, turn into the building and you will find the rooftop ticket machine right in front of the office. The entrance fee is 6 Singapore dollars per person and you can pay by credit or debit card. After paying at the machine, head to the lifts. You will see a sign saying to use lifts A or B only. From the rooftop, you can see in all directions. Looking southwest, you can even spot Sentosa and the cable car in the distance. Let's walk around a bit before settling into our spot. The rooftop is actually very large and it's quite a workout. walking until our legs are exhausted, we end up back where we started, right in front of the lift. One slightly annoying thing is that there are double fences, probably to prevent things from falling. With a normal tripod setup, the outer fence gets in the frame quite a lot. Because of that, I had to push the camera forward a bit and think for a long time before ending up with this position. You can see that my feet aren't touching the ground at all. I'm using two legs outside to prop against the fence and hooking the other leg on the fence edge so that it doesn't fall. We'll end this clip with our shot of the pinnacle at Duxton. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. From Op, No People Travel Photo, goodbye.